central block, which is constant, and I will be teaching you how to use them. So I will go into my EV3 whole edit, and I have been programming for a long time, but not really this year because I have trouble. My dad downloaded this new LabVIEW feed just today, so I like it, and he hasn't taught me how to use it yet. Maybe tomorrow or something, he's going to teach me. So we will get started now. I need to go to the What should we call our thing? You can leave a description down below if you like, and then I could probably add it on here. But for now, we're going to call it. Let's see how to spell the block that I'm going to be teaching you. Oh, logic. L-O. There. I lost it. Let's see. L-O-G-I-C. Logic. Didn't spell it. L-O-G-I-C. Logic. Logic part R2. That's what we're going to call it. So now we're going to use a constant block, and we're going to drag 2 at the same time. Today I will only be teaching you and, or, no XO, XRO, because it's too hard for you. So I will be teaching you that next time. If grown-ups want to help you, that's fine with me. And I have this connected. So right now, we're going to drag 2 of them because we're doing logic. See how they're only 0? We want one to be false and one to be true. So we want to press the box, and we want to go to logic. See this one? Check mark and X. That means true, and that means yes or no. Now we get press the other square and press logic again. So now it's false and false. We want it to be true or false. Now what we want to drag is we want to drag this logic box. We want to drag it up right here, and we want to connect the wires. We're going to press there, and then we're going to drag. Wrong drag. We want to take there, then drag it to there, the B, because of this. Because the second one is B because it's second, and this one's seconds. So now we want to drag the other wire to A. So now what we want to do is we want to change this to AND right now. Okay, it's AND. So now what we want to do is we want to go to this flow control. We want to press that, and we want to go to a switch. See how right now it's touch center? We don't want that, so we're going to press the later box again, and we are going to want to logic. Because logic is true or false, because it's like true is like yes, and false is no. So that means incorrect and incorrect. So now we want to go to action. We want to get a sound block and drag it right here. The sound block will be project sound. Let's see what we have. Let's see. Good job. And then we want to drag another one over, like this. One right here, and we're going to put that there. And we're going to go down more. Let's see. No. Be no. And I want this to be yes. No. And then I want this to be yes. So let's scroll down. Keep on scrolling. No. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so true will be yes. False will be no. So we want to connect this equal wire to the X. So now we don't see the X, so it can block. So now, what do you think it's going to be? It will be no. I'm not really sure, but it's no. I think it's no. Yeah, I got it right. So that's no. And let's see if we did true and true. It's going to be yes. Because it's true and true, but it's yes and yes. So it's totally going to be yes. How if we did or? True and true will be no. Wait, it's yes? I didn't know that. It's yes. How about, false and true will be yes. Because it's or. So that's how. How about we did false and false? What do you think it's going to be? No. Because false and false means no and no, so probably it's no. So now I will skip this because I told you I was not going to teach you this because it's much more harder. So we're going to go on to not, which only has one wire. If we did this to false, it's going to be no. Yes. How if we did this to true? It's going to be no. Because it's the opposite of each other. So that's how we did it. So from now on, I will be doing these type of videos to teach you more. And please give me a description down below if you like this video. And have a nice day. Bye-bye.